How to add TV show to your Plex watchlist. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Tech Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily add your favorite TV show to your Plex watchlist so that you can keep track of your shows you plan to watch later. In order to do that, first of all, launch open Plex on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page of Plex, go to the search icon at the top of the screen, and then in the search bar, you can go ahead and type in the name of the movie or TV show you want to add to your watch list. After searching for the movie or TV show, from the search result, look for the show and click on it. And once you find it, you'll be able to open up the info section where you need to click Add to Watch List. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the specific TV show into your watch list. Now, from the home screen, go to the top right corner and click on your watch list to find the TV show in the watch list tab. All the movies and shows you've added will appear here for quick browsing and playback. So that's how you easily add TV shows to your Plex watch list and keep track of everything you want to watch later. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.